Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Myntri ka sarkar jela uba kami ya karep karyang utumiti di shira hakalai pautrek naitung arja penriau ula Kyntait ya kajing dawa pan ai Jingkyrshan ya Baroh kimarrep daka boong bak sarkar kan pelet jingmun haki weipat kila jingyaram kum ki jaka bu marrem haki cold storage pat ki processing unit kenang menyerap iki Nongrep banyakon ya kajing kela jong kedor kamor kimarrep haki yogihan hakajingkan begilap thai khubor usira ulong baka jingkala jong kador kimarrep hayo kajuja nakapor sakapor bat ban penbet ya kenie tan kaman perkhat deki weipat ki policy kenang baka lawai jing ki Nongrep kin om ya kendu ya kum kani ke jing
Now that is no longer valid because now the price of vegetable has come up. I think about 10-12 rupees per kg. So sometimes temporarily there will be like that. The price of any agricultural products may come down, and all of a sudden they say it goes up again. So up and down the fluctuation is very common. But however, in order to stop, get rid of all this, we can do. We have to take, some other these policies, so that in future the farmers will not face such kind of a situation. The price though it may not be possible for the government because for anything, everything, if the government keeps support price, then it will be huge expenditure on the part of the government. But in order to get rid of all these future, such situations, government will think about some other policies, construction subject cold storage for the farmers will be one of the alternative. So that at the time when the price of vegetable is very low, they can keep it in the cold storage, and when the price has come up, then they can take it from the cold storage and sell it at a better price. 10 rupees, 12 rupees. Now it has come to 40 rupees, 50 rupees. How much better price they are getting now? And after this finished product, there is demand, a lot of demand from abroad also. They cannot meet the demand. So also we hope, this way, that way. Government will try to find out the solution for the vegetable vendor, vegetable grower also, farmers also. To eliminate this this middleman, we need this cold storage and some other processing unit out of vegetable also something can be processed also. Like for example, this turmeric, price of turmeric. Now this spice processing unit we have established at this what is called Boirumbong also, and in Kyntait Hills also. So the price of the turmeric, raw turmeric is also have come up. Now with the establishment of the processing unit, now there is no need for the middleman to come and bargain the price. The cooperative societies who are running this processing unit, they fix the price at a better price for the farmers, and farmers are directly coming and dispose of their raw materials in the processing unit.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jela ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki jela menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan